Hi guys, I'm Arvis.
Mike.
And Jacek. Dave couldn't make it today, but we're going to present OneTwoThree, which is an app that helps you to find people and go and dance salsa. Enjoy our demo. Oh guys, that Polish wedding was a thing. It was just great.
It was indeed.
So much fun.
Oh man, that was exhausting, but I must tell you, after last night, I think it's time for me to really learn how to dance.
Yeah, you should. You should do like Mike. The numbers he did,
Unbelievable.
No, look, I'm shy. I'm tender flower. I'm scared of people.
That's okay, Jacek. Like we all are tender flowers. It's okay. The problem is, you need someone who follows you in this experience, and I have something for you.
Let me guess. You have another app for that.
Exactly. It's called OneTwoThree, and it helps you to find people and go and dance with. This will allow you to share this experience with others and make it easier. How does it sound? You like it?
All right, cool. I'm going back to London next week. Let's give it a try.
Yeah.
Let's leave the support there.
Let's just first sing this button. Look at that. It's beautiful. Amazing, right? All right, let's do this summer. This is the list of everyone in London who wants to dance. So you have their pictures, the name, a status, identifying what they want to do, what they feel, how they sound, and stuff like that. And then the role. As you know, in salsa, men lead and women follow.
It's 2021.
I knew you'd say that. And that's why we're not talking about gender here. This is only about roles. Because to become a good leader, you need to learn how to follow. And vice versa. And then you have the styles. So each of them is different. But most importantly, you have this level of experience, which allows you to understand what are you talking about? What's the person behind these numbers? So they are given by other users when you basically rate them. So
That is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty all week. Let's give him a try, no?
That's how I like. This is his page. You can see again the information, where he lives, then the common events he's going, and comments that other people are writing about him. So he's quite a beginner, quite good actually. And then you can see here achievements that you get once you level up.
All right, so I can invite him to dance right now, right?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go for it.
Now you need to find a place. So you have different options in here. You have social events, which are basically salsa parties, where you just go and dance, or classes, which is
I think I'm not ready for social events yet. Let's go for some classes. How about that juju place?
It's a really good place. I've been there quite a few times. It's good, it's good. And, I mean, Jacek, you decide.
No, let's go for it. Let's invite David for that one.
Let's
go. Happen.
Now we're going to create a group, which is your first lesson, Jacek. Yeah.
First lesson, all right.
Lesson, and then let's dance. And this is where the magic happens. You have David information, you can see him, and then chat and discuss about what you want to do. So, for example, hey.
Oh, he's already online.
Yeah, it's very cool. Yeah.
All right, Elvis, but actually only two of us. Can we invite more folks to this? Make that actually a group. You know, the more the merrier.
You can.
Oh, that's awesome.
You just invite someone else, and then that's it. And?
Yeah, why not?
Looks like high level. It's French salsa. Probably it's a new thing. Let's just try it. There are a lot of people who good levels, and yeah, let's add her to the group, right?
Let's add her, yeah.
And hello, French. So, Sarah. And that's it, Jacek. You have your group that you can do it and and dance.
All right, Andrews, this is absolutely amazing. Thank you for that. I can't wait actually to try this.
I mean, I can feel your enthusiasm.
That's all right for a sweet tender flower, but what about a seasoned professional?
Like Mike. Well, I made a profile also for you.
Oh.
And you can just go and look for events. You don't need anyone else to join you, right? Just go there. That's what we have for London. And this time we're going straight forward to events. Again, location of places, and they are sorted chronologically. So what's happening today? Coding and salsa. What's the coincidence?
I'm already here.
Yeah. Let's have a look. It's close by. Yeah, looks like a deal.
Yeah, yeah, go for it.
But do you want to go alone or with someone?
Maybe one person.
Good. You need to share when you become good.
Yeah. Well, who's like my level? Oh, maybe Sophie?
Sophie, she's a friend of mine. I met her. She wants to dance, and she's really good. Well, that's it. Let's invite her.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi there. Dance. She will understand everything. And I think Sophie is. I can see her. Right? I think Mike, I'm going to dance. Oh, sorry. What? Yeah. He's. It's a Mac guy, sorry. I'm just. The Windows. Swipe. Okay, so I'm Elvis. Mike, Jacek, and David. Thank you very much.